Okay, I've come to a car park where now I've got to let some air out of my tyres because I'm going to go off-road. So, just thought I'd give you a heads up on this little gadget which my friend Remo put me onto. They come in a packet like that, and there's 4 of them in there. And what you do is you basically take it out, you unscrew this top piece here and set the depth, the PSI that you want the tyre down to, which is 15, and then you just screw it onto your tyre and it'll let the air out at 15 PSI. Just go around and put that on all of them. What a way to go. I remember the days when we used to get a match head, stick a match head inside of there, just let the air down. If you didn't have a match head because you didn't smoke, you'd find a stick somewhere that was small enough to put into it. And yeah, that's it, easy as. That's what they look like. And they're still going down. As you can tell, there's other people around, so I'm not alone on this earth. Sometimes it feels like I am. That wasn't me farting, that was the actual deflator.
We stopped the little wheel on the side of the road, and then it was like, Nana, I don't want to stop, I want to get the keys here in the train. I don't really need them, it's alright.